Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a remote job you can do from anywhere, remote job you can do from the US, UK, Canada, and other parts of the world like Africa, then this video is for you. Triplay Media is the first one on our list. All right, we are looking at 5 companies that you can start working for right now from wherever you are based. So the first one is Triplay Media. Before we go there, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. And let's go there. The first company is Triplay Media. You work remotely on major sports, popular TV series, and global productions. They're seeking for expert linguists across the globe for contract work to build global language support for the following localization and accessibility services using their proprietary internet-based software application. So they're hiring in software applications, in subtitling, dubbing, captioning, audio description. For qualifications, you need to have excellent written communication skills, basic comprehension of the English language, excellent command of grammar and punctuation in the languages you are applying for, proficiency with internet research and reference resources, ability to manage projects, work independently, and closely follow instructions. You must be at least 18 years of age. For language skill, they are currently recruiting skilled linguists for over 90 different languages. Whether your expertise lies in widely spoken global languages or highly specialized regional dialects, they need your talent. They are looking for linguists proficient in any language to help them deliver high quality transcription, subtitling, dubbing, and multi language audio description at scale. And they encourage you to apply if you are fluent in one or more languages and eager to help make content accessible to audiences worldwide. All right, so if you're looking for a transcription job, you can check them out. And they are interested in receiving application from individuals who are interested in performing the services themselves. They do not want you to apply on behalf of another person, and they do not permit the selling or contracting of their contract work. If you want to go for it, click on submit application and then you choose whichever one you want to go for. Do you want to go for captioning, transcription, whichever one? You can start your application. They are seeking eager editors for contract work to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription in various languages. So they're actively hiring right now. If you are interested, just go on and click on apply for this caption editing. Then it takes you to this page where you'd have to enter your full details. The About You section, email verification will be sent to you, contact information, experience, you finish and submit. So they're actively seeking eager editors for captioning. The second platform is Clickworker. I'm just bringing it to your notice again that you can start working for Clickworker. They have a mobile app which you can download. There are 2 ways you can sign up with them. You need the app to log into your account later on, regardless of which way you choose to register. Feel free to go through it and apply. I've worked for them before. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys today. Go ahead and check it out and see if it's available in your location so that you can apply. The name is Clickworker. Clickworker.com is the website. And the third one is telusdigital.com. telusdigital.com. They're hiring for online data analysts or DR speakers in the USA. Well, feel free to check for other jobs that are available in your own location. But the one I'm looking at right now is for those in the USA. You can click on all jobs, then you search for jobs depending on your location. They're hiring people from these locations you see on the screen here, even from Africa. So just do your job search, filter by keyword, country, language, and location. And you can see open positions here: energy solutions specialist, global financial services specialist, airline operations support specialist, ticket platform support specialist, and more. So they have over 840 jobs available now. You can definitely find something to do on this platform. And the fourth one is Rev. Rev is a freelance transcription company that hires transcribers, captioners, subtitlers from all over the world. It is flexible. You create a flexible work schedule for yourself. You choose from their jobs. You get paid weekly. So if you want to work for them, click on become a freelancer with Rev. I'll fill in these details you see here. Currently, their transcriptionists are earning between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio/video minute. They pay captioners from 51 cents to $1.10 per audio and video minute. So you want to definitely check them out and apply. You take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills, and submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. If you are approved, you will be able to register and start earning right away. So they're also hiring for subtitlers, and they pay between $1.50 to $3 per audio/video minute. So check Rev out. The website is rev.com. Check them out, apply. And the last one is Inboxdone. Inboxdone is hiring. If you're interested in working with them, they're always looking out for talented A players to join their team. They help business owners, C-suite executives, and virtual team members, so they no longer have to spend hours inside their inbox every day. So if you're hired, that's what you're going to be doing, organizing inbox. You'll be working as a virtual assistant for the companies that they partner with. You don't need a resume or cover letter to apply here. You don't even need experience. That's what it means basically, because you will learn on the job. Okay, the name is Inboxdone. You can go now. They're not looking for people that are looking for short-term gig. They want people that need long-term gig, and you need to be self-motivated. They're not looking for those that are not open to constructive feedback. So you'll be a right-hand person to their clients and the intermediary for all communication on both a micro and macro level. You organize the inbox, then get their clients down to inbox zero. So if you have experience in virtual assistants, go check them out. All right, check them out and apply. Step 1 is to submit the application, which is usually completed about 20 minutes. Step 2 is if they feel you could be a fit, they will invite you to participate in a Zoom interview. Step 3, after satisfactory completing the interview, they will check your submitted references. Once your references have been confirmed, they will welcome you into your first paid training. Period. Okay. So if you're ready to work with them, you see a black person is here. Bossy says, working for Inboxdone has been amazing. I get to learn new things, grow into my role, and the sense of community built around the team is more than anyone could hope for. And Chiku also said something. So check them out. The services they offer is email management, calendar scheduling, executive assistant, customer service, social media assistant, data entry assistant, virtual research assistant. So go and check them out. Links will be in the description. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the channel. This is a new channel. Subscribe so that we can be bringing you more remote job opportunities like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.